What if I told you that one quiet moment every morning could completely change the direction of your life? Not tomorrow, not someday, but starting today. Most people wake up, grab their phone, scroll mindlessly, and step straight into a life they didn't consciously choose. They look successful on the outside, ticking all the right boxes, job, routine, responsibilities. But deep inside, there's an uncomfortable emptiness, a silent question whispering, is this really it? Stoic philosophy warns us about this exact trap, living on autopilot until it's too late. So today, before another day slips away, I want you to pause and ask yourself the questions that force honesty, not comfort. Ask yourself, am I living for myself, or am I constantly chasing other people's approval, saying yes when my soul is screaming no? Because every time you live for validation, you slowly abandon who you really are. Then ask, what am I avoiding right now? That conversation, that decision, that truth you keep pushing away doesn't disappear. It grows heavier with time. Avoidance steals peace far more than confrontation ever will. Next, look honestly at your past. Are you stuck there, replaying mistakes, regrets, and what-ifs? The past is meant to teach you, not imprison you. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become today. And that leads to another powerful question. Who am I becoming right now? Not who you want to be someday, but who your daily habits, thoughts, and choices are shaping you into at this very moment. There is no neutral. Every action is a vote for the person you're becoming. Then ask yourself something uncomfortable. Am I really living, or am I just existing? Are you fully alive, or just surviving day after day in routines that drain you while your dreams quietly fade? Life isn't meant to be endured. It's meant to be experienced. Now go deeper. What am I tolerating that's slowly killing me? A toxic relationship, a job that suffocates your spirit, habits that rob your energy. Everything you tolerate teaches the world how to treat you. Draw the line. Then ask, what would I do if fear wasn't holding me back? Fear doesn't protect you. It keeps you small. The life you want lives just beyond the fear you keep avoiding. Ask yourself, what permission am I waiting for? No one is coming to give you the green light. You don't need approval to live your own life. While you're reflecting, look at your relationships. Am I truly connecting with people or just collecting them? Real fulfillment comes from depth, not numbers. A few genuine connections matter more than 100 shallow ones. Then ask, what legacy am I creating right now? Not someday, not in the future. Right now. Your legacy is built in your daily choices, your integrity, and how you treat others when no one is watching. And here's a question that cuts deep. What am I afraid I'll regret not doing? Because at the end of life, it's not the failures that haunt us, it's the chances we never took. Finally, ask the most powerful question of all. If today were my last day, would I be proud of how I lived it? If the answer makes you uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is your wake-up call. Don't wait for a crisis to change. Start living intentionally now. Choose courage over fear, truth over comfort, action over excuses. Because one day, later will run out, and the life you're living today is the life you're choosing.